What? Meet Fatty. Lovely to meet you. What's your name? How you crying?
Yahuraga.
No, don't cry. Oh. How are you? Are you coming to the show today? You don't know? You wanna come? Or do you have tickets? No. Maybe get my phone number so my phone can. So she can come. Hello. How are you? I think guys know I was here. Who's next? Who told you guys I was here? Don't cry. Hey, fine girl like you. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. What's your name again? What? Meet Fatty. Lovely to meet you, man. Oh, you're my twin also. Oh, my love. It's okay. Come to the show, okay? Yeah. Michael is gonna get you guys tickets and everything, alright? Yeah, right. Come enjoy the show. Yeah. I love you. Thank you so much. All right, bye, my love. Come to the show when I look cute to do pictures and everything, okay?
Thank
bye,
you so
my love.
much. Thank you.
Bye, ladies.
Bye.
Let's go.
Can you tell us your names and tell us why are you here?
My name is Numufana. I'm from Gisenyi. I'm here for Ayra.
We saw you crying. Why were you crying?
I love her so much.
Why do you love her?
I don't know.
Mama, uyu numwana wawe?
Iyi numwana wanje ni mfura yanje.
Ubwo mwaturutse Gisenyi muje kureba Ayra?
Yego. Aramukunda cyane pe. Icyo cyatuzanye. None twasanze amatike yashize kuva ejo tugura byanga. Ariko
abemereye no kuba yabishyurira kubashakira amatike mukajya muri konseri.
Yego.
How did that go? Byagire gute?
I'm happy.
So we're looking forward to see you muri konseri ubwo tubyizere. Hanyuma bivuze iki ko abana babageneye amatike kuri wowe? Mwari mwayabuze?
Pe nari nababaye pe nabo bari bababaye. Kuba batwemerera amatike ndishimye cyane kandi nabo barishimye.
Okay. Enjoy.